Morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Morning.
Morning. Okay, this is the picture of the forest of area of Sanggu. Sanggu is my hometown. It's for about 30 minutes from Buntok, the city of the South Barito Regency, and where the distance is about 30 minutes from my home. And the local people hang their live into this forest. As for the origin of my desire to make this research, when I taste the mashed cassava leaves, which is cooked by my mother, and it is the typical dishes from Central Borneo, especially in the Ekmanyan tribe. And when I eat this food, it's very delicious. But my mother said to me that this food is without use MSG. So I think that, what is that? What makes this a tasty dish? And my mom assured to me that this food is used sungkai leaves. What is the sungkai leaves? The sungkai leaves used as the flavorings by the Ekmanyan tribe, another food in our village from long time ago. And our forefathers didn't know MSG. They just know and use the sungkai leaves as the flavorings. So I think to make a research about the use of sungkai leaves as a natural food flavor, and my research entitled "The Natural Revolution of Food Flavor on Sungkai." My name is Jonathan Esri Alexander Tija. And steps of my research are: first, background, and then problem of the research, purpose, research methods, the result, and finally conclusion and future research. Then the problem is many food stalls in the street use MSG excessively. It was not good, you know. It was not good. It's very, very bad. And I think that why we always do that? Because if we use the sungkai leaves, as a flavorings, it can give a tasty dish like MSG. And then, if the food which uses sungkai leaves can give a tasty dish like the food which uses MSG. And in this research, I want to explore more potential plants in Central Borneo, especially in Buntok sungkai leaves. You know sungkai leaves? Sungkai leaves are native plant of hinterland which have long been used by the Ekmanyan tribe for seasoning dishes, especially in mashed cassava leaves, but not commonly used in other dishes. And the ecosystem of the sungkai leaves, the Sungkai Plant, is the tropical rainforest ecosystem. And the characteristic of the sungkai leaves is the tip of leaf is acute, and the side of leaf is like just like wave. And then in the methods of the research, I had made the sungkai leaves into the powder form. It just make it more practically and can give use another disease. And I had made the sungkai leaves into the two powder form. The first powder is with dried leaves, and the second powder with wet leaves. And the difference from the second powder is the sungkai leaves without drying process. And to make sungkai leaves into the powder form are: first, choose and clean and sungkai leaves, and then dispose of leaf bones. And after that, wrap with newspaper and then place in the oven after about 25 minutes. And after that, dry the sungkai leaves without direct sunlight, and then put in the blender until it looks smooth. And then finally, strain the sungkai powder with the powder filter. And this is the result of the powder from wet sungkai leaves. It has the green color, and this is the result of the powder with dry sungkai leaves, and it has a black color. So we use the we use the Sungkai powder. I cook 4 different types of food. There are mashed cassava leaves, Ganja stir fried, bitter stir fried, and chicken soup. And each of them, I serve it into the 3 portions. The first portion with the Sungkai leaves or MSG, the second portion with Sungkai leaves, and the third portion with MSG. So I have 12 samples from 4 different types of food. And then the respondents were not informed that both dishes were used the Sungkai leaves, use MSG or without use MSG or Sungkai leaves. And then the respondent asked for it on a dish that has been tested, or it can say the organoleptic test. This is the result of the research from 25 respondents that has to taste the 4 different types of food. There are mashed cassava leaves, Ganja stir fried, bitter stir fried, and chicken soup. And the blue color with the Sungkai leaves or MSG, the yellow color with Sungkai leaves, and the red color with MSG. And you can see this table, this chart. It have the big difference between the food without use MSG and Sungkai leaves, with the food with use Sungkai leaves and MSG. So, from the result above, the Sungkai leaves can be used in other dishes, not only on traditional food like onion tribe, and in essential that the Sungkai leaves have taste as delicious as MSG. So, in my future work, I will find out the content in the Sungkai leaves, which is made it tasty like MSG, and I will find out the other function of the Sungkai leaves, especially in medicine. And then finally, I will cultivate the Sungkai leaves in my house, in my garden and my house area. So, I think to don't take the risk about the use of chemical substance at cuisine, because you know the effect from that. It's very large to our bodies. So we should use the natural for our life, because however, our bodies are not designed to absorb and utilize human-made scientific substance, but our bodies are created to digest natural food. And remember about this forest, from the natural plant, we can produce and choose the healthy life by just the natural food flavor. My name is Jakan Ashley Alexander Tijat. Thank you.